Today's topic is integrity sorting in the to list. We are going to solve this problem using the two methods. That is method 1 using the zip sorted and a lambda function, and the method 2 using an item getter function. Let's start from the first method, that is using zip sorted and a lambda function. Now let me give you a brief introduction about the zip function. Is what does a zip function is going to do is it's going to map all those elements which are having the similar index of the iterables which we have passed, and then it's going to return them in a form of the tuples. Let me just show it out so you can get a clear perspective. Like print the list of the zip list 1 and the list 2. So there you go. As you can see, it has mapped all those and elements which are having the similar index, which is 3 comma 2 4 comma 8 9 comma 3, and then so on. Now turning towards the sorting function, what this is going to do is in the sorting method, let me show it out. In the sorting, as you can see, we have sorted our list of the tuples out, and then we are using the key value to the lambda x tends to x of the 0. That is, we are going to take the first element of our sorted list of the tuples, and then in the zip we are going to combine those elements together, and then we are again putting those values in the list, and then we are storing it in the list number 3. As you can see it over here, the first element of our sorted list of the tuples are combined together, which is 1 4 3 4 5 9 10 and 19 respectively, where are the first sublist of our list, and then similarly the second element are combined together, and they are as a second sublist of our list.